Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials. You are signed into the YouTube Google account that owns the channel, and you have managed server rights in Discord. Once done, open Discord on desktop or in a browser because mobile sometimes limits options. Navigate directly to server settings, then integrations. That's where the YouTube connector lives. Start the ad flow now so you can authorize Google and choose the channel to link. Doing this first avoids permission errors later and keeps things efficient. You'll now authorize the connection. Click Add Integration and pick YouTube, which opens a Google sign-in prompt. Choose the channel owner account and accept the requested permissions. Once authorized, select the exact channel you want to link. This ensures the right content gets posted. Next, set which Discord text channel will receive uploads and adjust role or bot posting permissions so messages aren't blocked. Make sure notification frequency and message format are set. These control how subscribers see uploads in your server. Finish by saving the integration and running a quick test. Upload a short unlisted video or trigger a test post to confirm Discord receives the notification. Make sure the bot or integration role has sent messages and embed links in that text channel, otherwise posts will fail silently. If nothing appears, reauthorize the Google connection, verify your Discord managed server and role permissions, and check that webhooks are enabled. Re-adding the integration often resolves lingering OAuth or permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.